Hey guys, today we'll be making a recipe that takes only minutes to prepare and will be something that your family will enjoy. I'll show you how to make an easy microwavable frittata using ingredients I purchased from my local dollar store. A frittata is an egg dish mixed with fillings in the eggs before cooking. This is a little different from an omelet. In an omelet, the fillings are folded in. This is a dish that can be eaten at any meal and takes only minutes to prepare. You can make a frittata that makes a single serving or many servings to feed your entire family. This is a healthful meal that is inexpensive, tasty, time-saving, and best yet, all of the ingredients can be found at the dollar store. So let's get started on our frittata. For this recipe, you'll need 10 eggs, a half a cup of turkey, ham, sausage, or whatever is available in your area. Today we're using roasted turkey breast. A half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a half a cup of vegetables of your choice. They can be frozen or canned. You'll also need a fourth a cup of non-fat or low-fat milk. And we're using a teaspoon of Creole seasoning, but you can also use salt or pepper. First, we're going to start by scrambling the eggs. So it's important to note that when we're scrambling eggs, it's always best to crack eggs one at a time into a smaller bowl and check for shells to avoid getting them into your dish. Remember to keep eggs in your refrigerator until you're ready to use them. Also, always wash your hands after handling eggs to prevent the spread of bacteria. Eggs are a wonderful source of protein and have many vitamins and minerals. And they're inexpensive and can be found at any grocery store and many local dollar stores. Next, we're going to start chopping up our roasted turkey breast. Roasted turkey breast is a great lean source of protein. That's why we chose it today. We always want to make sure to keep our fingers away from our knife when we're chopping. It doesn't have to be perfect pieces, but we do want to get it chopped up. We're going to put our turkey in a half cup measuring cup, and then it's going to go into our egg mixture. Now we're going to go ahead and add a half a cup of low-fat cheddar cheese. Next, I'll go ahead and chop up a half a cup of frozen broccoli. I like to cut it up a little bit smaller because that's how my family enjoys it. Since I've already measured out a half a cup, I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my egg mixture. Now I'm going to add in our low-fat milk. It's an important source of calcium that's needed for building strong bones and teeth. Choosing either non-fat or low-fat options can help you incorporate dairy into a healthy diet. And lastly, we're just going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of our Creole seasoning. I'm going to mix all of my ingredients with a fork to make sure it's all incorporated and evenly spread out. Now we're going to go ahead and pour this mixture into a greased microwavable dish. We're going to put this in the microwave for about 5 to 8 minutes. The time's going to depend on the strength of your microwave. To make sure it cooks evenly, we're going to take it out and stir it in 2 minutes. Check the temperature to make sure it reaches 160 degrees. Frittatas are so versatile. You can add any fillings you and your family enjoy. This recipe serves 5, and it costs under $2 per serving. You can serve it with whole grain bread and applesauce, and we have all the food groups to round out our healthy meal. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.